Hey guys, in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can turn off screen mirroring on iPhone. The steps are really simple and easy, so let's get started. First of all, you need to swipe down from the right side in order to access your control panel. From here, tap on the screen mirroring icon. And on this page, you will get to see all the screen mirroring devices right here. You will also have the option to cancel them from right here. This way you can easily turn off screen recording from here. Now if you want to disable it completely, go back and open up your phone settings. From here, you need to scroll down and go to General. Tap on General. After that, you will get to see an option that says AirPlay and Handoff. You need to tap on that. After that, tap on Automatically AirPlay to TVs on the top. You should know that AirPlay and screen mirroring are the same thing. So now tap on the first option that says Automatically AirPlay to TVs. From here, you need to set it as Never. Right now, it is set at Automatic, so you need to change it to Never. And once it's done, your screen mirroring will be turned off completely. So that is how you can turn off screen mirroring on iPhone. Thanks for watching, and please leave a like, subscribe, and share.